Bitdeer to launch Asia-based cloud service built on NVIDIA DGX SuperPOD. Advantages of bullet camera with ColorVu technology in low-light scenarios. Hikvision. The inconspicuous break in network cables R&M. AMD brings new AI and compute capabilities to Microsoft customers. Next-generation Ericsson RAN compute breaks ground in network processing power. Gartner forecasts worldwide public cloud end-user spending to reach $679 billion in 2024. Team Group launches industry-first eco-friendly T-Force Vulkan Echo DDR5 desktop overclocking memory. Matrix Comsec to showcase cutting-edge security and telecom solutions at IFSEC 2023 from 7th to 9th December 2023. CP Plus Made in Bharat celebrates the potential of the growing India. MSI announces Z790 Max series motherboard with Like a Dragon Gaiden, the man who erased his name. Please visit www.ncnonline.net to read full reports.